Hello and welcome to another episode of DIY Web Strategy Labs. And in today's lab, we're working with WordPress. We're creating a theme, a custom theme, and we have a plugin that we're working with today that will import all of our YouTube videos from our channel. So I just installed this. The way you would install this would be clicking add new in the plugin section, type in auto YouTube import. I'll just type that for now and hopefully it'll show up. There it is. It would say install now like this one does for you. If you already got it installed, just click activate. All right. Now we got it activated. Let's go into settings. Let's get our API key. How to use the YouTube API key, a step-by-step guide. First, log into the Google Developers Console. Find the Google Cloud Console and create a new project. I think we found it. Okay, so I gotta just get a new project going. YouTube video importer, no organization. Enable. Create credentials. Okay. Got my API key, done with that. Okay, I got my API key. Paste that in here. API key is valid. Import. Go to channel. It's my channel ID. Let's go to YouTube. YouTube Studio. Now I just got to I'll probably just try this out, see if it works. Oh, it was just asking for it out. Okay, fine. Let's see how this works. Looks like it's gathering all the data. Imported 30 out of 30. Lord have mercy. Okay, so let's take a look in posts. Oh, wow, it certainly did. Let's go back to the editor for index, refresh. Let's change this back to posts. Okay, so go to query loop here. Go to posts. It should show our stuff here. Let me save it. And there we have it. The only issue is my feature image. So, let's see. Yeah, no feature image came through. So let's go back to posts. Let's edit this. Okay. So it did it similar to I don't have any featured images. It's not gathering the featured image, unfortunately. Interesting. Yeah, it's not importing the featured image. Will I have to do that on my own? I'll have to read up on that. Well, I was just trying out this plugin to see if I could get videos added to my website quickly, and it looks like it's gotten a lot of my videos on here. The only issue is that the videos don't have featured images, and I'm gonna have to look into this a little bit more and see, because I might even just decide I want to write a plugin that works better than this. So we'll see, but for now I can use this. I guess it'll make life a little bit easier. It'll make things a little faster, and I'll probably have to read into this a little bit more. But so far, I'm pretty happy with the fact that, hey, I don't have to manually do this step by step. All I have to do now is just probably go through each so every day just make sure that a featured image is added, or go in and try and fix the bug for the featured image. I might speak to the person who created it. The person who created the plugin is, let me see, who is this person? I gotta go to the plugin. Send line or second line. Second line themes, that's the author. Whoever second line themes is. So maybe I can reach out to them and let them know, hey, your plugin doesn't really do a good job of importing the feature image. Would you like for me to edit the or fix the bug or work on the plugin a little bit to see if I could get that featured image to work? Yep. But anyway, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one tomorrow. Peace.